Andrew from MAXIZM Construction Industrial Limited. Today we are visiting the LOVOL factory and I'd like to introduce you some hot model you may interest. Here is the FR220D2 model excavator and its operating weight is 21,800 kilograms. Equipped with the original CUMMINS engine which adapts mechanical high pressure fuel pump with low noise and low fuel consumption. Okay, let's see the other details. There you can see the hydraulic hammer and the quick cooper pads with the intelligent control system could control all kinds of different attachments such as bucket, hammer, scarifier and hydraulic scissors. Okay, let's see the bucket. The rated bucket capacity is 0.96 cubic meters. Sure, it's optional if you need other requirements. It has upgraded hydraulic system to avoid the damage and oil leakage. The best of it is the low noise and low vibration. The cab has a good vision from the inside and has a large space to operate the machine. And the premium suspension seat with armrest is very comfortable. All in all, this model FR220D2 is a very powerful and efficient flexible machine which could save you many costs and bring you a big value in the future. Okay, that's all for today. This is Rachel. See you!